Hi, in this video I will show you how to change Bitmoji face expressions on the Snapchat. So process is pretty simple. If you are looking for how you can change your expression of the Snapchat emoji, simply you have to follow this procedure. So first of all, open your Snapchat mobile application and you have to click on the chats, and now from here you have to click on the profile icon from the left top. And once you will do it, now you have to scroll up and you have to click on the select selfie. Once you will click on the select selfie, you will see a different selfie styles, also face expressions here. Select any expression you like. So I select this expression from here and click on the done. Once you will click on the done, your face expression on the Bitmoji will be changed. So this is the way you can change expression of your face on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.